that.
Woo! Good God Almighty!
Alright guys, so one more thing I want to talk about before we get to fishing is if y'all can go to the description down below and subscribe to Sooner Fishing 01 and Fishing with Fitz. They're really great guys. They fish all the time. They put their heart and soul to their videos and their technique and their craft. If y'all could go down and give them some love, I'd really appreciate that. I know I got some good subscribers on my channel that love showing love to people, so if y'all could go down and check them out, I really appreciate it.
Yeah, I mean, they enjoy fishing just as much as you and I. You know, they're great guys. I mean, if you love fishing, then you'll love those guys too.
Oh yeah, I definitely agree with that one. They really love fishing, and so do we, so we're going to get back to fishing.
And they love their families too.
Oh yeah, they love their families. They always have their families incorporated in all of their videos.
Oh yeah.
So anyways, we're going to get back at it, and stay tuned. Hooked up. You got him yourself?
Yeah.
On the Venom Lures King Snake 10-inch ribbon tail. Good job, dude.
Yeah. Right up in the shade. Small shade pockets. Shallow, murky water. Remember guys, flip that murky water when it's hot.
Yes, sir. Good stuff, dude.
Thanks, man.
Damn. Actually, this thing casts exceptionally well.
Yeah, it casts really good with mine too. With my heavy rod.
Huh.
With the heavy rod too. 14 pound rod.
On the DK, boys. On the DK. DK rig all day.
Give it back. It was a shade for.
Alright guys, so what I'm using today is a Venom Lures DK rig with a high floater black and blue Senko. This is a mushroom style head. It's kind of like a Ned rig, but it's got a Texas rig style hook in it, so that way you can be weedless and be fully weedless with a Ned setup. So you know those Ned setups are really dangerous in summertime. So we're just flicking up in these shade pockets just like this, and we're just feeling them ticket, and I set the hook and there she was. Oh, he shredded the DK, dude.
Oh, really?
All right, guys. So basically what we're doing is we're just, once again, we're just throwing right to the bottom and just having them bob it, dude. They're in these shade pockets. I'm using my Fitzgerald medium heavy 7'6" with 12-pound fluorocarbon Seagar red label with a Lew's LFS Speed Spool 7.5-1. And we're just bottom rigging, man. Well, we're Texas rigging, but we're bottom fishing, I should say. That was a toad.
I know that. I thought he had me in wood at first, but
I think he did.
I don't think he did. I was on the other side of that tree. Well on the other side of that tree when he took me.
So, what if I catch that thing with the spinnerbait in his mouth?
Then I get
I tried a spinner over there, I think.
What color is it? It's a yellow one.
Mother. I need a bass. Yep. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Well, I needed a bass and I got one. That's what I need, a bass. On the DK rig, boys. It's a black and blue kind of day. What can I say? I don't know why they're hidden. I guess it's more visible than everything else. What can black and blue do for you? I guess get a bass. He was tucked up in this stuff, son.
Really?
Yes. And I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna catch a 3 or 4 sooner or later. Here she goes. You wanna wear?
Nah, I ain't worried about it. She probably about 4, right around 4, maybe.
Guys, so we had a little successful day today. Shinbone just caught like a 4-pounder. I couldn't get it on video for some reason. I thought I did. I didn't, but I got the release, which is pretty cool. It's about the thunderstorm out here. It's getting pretty gnarly. We had some lightning flicker a little bit, and it's what, 7:50 right now. So we're gonna go call it quits. Get up the hill here.
Get something to drink. We're parched.
But yeah, if y'all are new here, hit the like and subscribe button. Also hit the like and subscribe button for Fishing with Fitz and Sooner Fishing 01. Like I said in the beginning, they're great channels, so check them out. You won't be disappointed, trust me. And then also, if you're new here, go and look at that Venom Baits giveaway. Can't go wrong with it. So if you want to enter the giveaway, go hook that video up with a like and a subscribe, and have a chance to win some baits. So until next time, we're gonna get off the water and go up this hill and hopefully not die, so stay tuned.